Look, what's this? What's that little? What do you think of that? You like it? You seem to like it, huh? A little more? You like it, don't ya? You know what you're doing there? You gonna eat that? Eat it with, mix it with a little more formula? Huh? Do you like it? Okay, let's get you some more. Want a little more? It's like she was made to do it. Oh, maybe not. Okay.
Not too much.
You okay?
Is she eating it?
You eating it? What do you think of that? Are you eating it up? Yummy. Yummy, yummy. A little more? Wow. You're a champ. Okay, let's pretend you're eating more, but I want you to eat what's in your mouth. Is that delicious? Eat what you have. Eat what you have. Eat that first. Num, num, num. Here, Here. That's to eat, not Mommy's phone. Num, num. Eat what you have. That's exciting, huh? I think she just likes the spoon. What is Daddy doing? You filming the excitement?